In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a custom shape audio visualizer in Adobe After Effects. So the first thing we're going to do is right-click here in our project window and choose New, Solid. You can give it a name. And then before you click OK, make sure that the color is set to black. And now, next thing we're going to do is choose a shape. You can choose any shape you want, but I'm going to take an ellipse. And then holding my cursor in the middle, pressing Control Command Shift, and then making a circle so it's in the middle. And then here in our visualizer layer, we have a mask, and that mask we're going to set to none. So the next thing we're going to do is on this visualizer layer, we're going to go to Effects and Presets. And if that one isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effects and Presets or press Control Command 5. We're going to search for Audio Spectrum and add that to our visualizer layer. Now, as you can see, we have an audio spectrum, but it's just a straight line. First, we're going to set this audio layer to our music. And then we're going to change the path to our mask. And as you can see now, our visualizer is added to our mask. Now you can change all things here. So first going to do that. Now you can also change the color. Let's make it white. And if you want to have the bands both on the inside and the outside of your shape, you can leave it like this. Otherwise, you can choose the side options. Side A only on the inside and side B only on the outside. You can also choose your display options, digital or analog line or analog dots, whatever you like. And if you want to have it even more fancy, you can go to the effect, and in effect you go to generate for color gradient. And here you can also change your colors to whatever color you would want to have it. And then choose where you want to locate it. And as you can see, it reacts to the music, exactly what we wanted. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.